Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the scheduled power time on your smartphone. And for this case, I'm going to carry out the demonstration using the Redmi Note 10, but these settings should be similar or closely related on any other Android phone. Now, if your phone normally goes off every day at a specific time and wakes up at another specific time, then you can turn off these settings using this procedure. Now, the first thing to do is to go to your settings and tap on it. And then look for the battery option under your settings, which is this, and tap on it. Now, from here, you want to go to additional features. Open it. And now here you can see schedule power on and off. Now, if you tap on this, you will see the times when your phone usually goes on and the times when your phone usually goes off. For instance, this phone is set to go off automatically at 10:30 p.m. every day, and it wakes up or it powers itself on at 6 a.m. every day. Now, to turn these settings off, all you need to do is to toggle this button to off, and you'll have solved the problem. Once you have toggled them to off, go ahead and tap on this tick to confirm your settings. And now your phone will never go off or on unless you do it manually. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.